Did Uma Bharti admit? Did Murli Manohar Joshi admit? They said it was a spontaneous act. They said they said it was a they said they why no
अर्णब जी इन दिस केस
अब आप बात तो करने दीजिए ना।
एक मिनट प्रकाश जी,
आप बात तो करने दीजिए आप
जी। Did yes शबनम लोन
प्रश्न पूछा है, आप मुझे प्रश्न का जवाब भी नहीं देने देंगे।
शबनम लोन प्लीज, as far as I know प्रकाश जी,
जिन्होंने ये स्टिंग ऑपरेशन किया है उनका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड देखिए, इनके सारे स्टिंग ऑपरेशन फर्जी साबित हो चुके हैं। कई
कौन सा फर्जी साबित हो चुका है? कौन सा फर्जी साबित हो चुका है?
कौन सा? आप संदीप देव की किताब पढ़ लें, साजिश की कहानी तथ्यों की जुबानी। संदीप देव ने क्लियरली उसमें पूरा का पूरा चैप्टर है जिसमें आशीष खैतान का नाम है, बहल साहब का नाम है, तरुण तेजपाल का नाम है। आप उठा के पढ़िए पुस्तक, बहुत डिटेल आ गया उसमें।
प्रकाश
ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड क्या है?
प्रकाश जी आप जो कोट कर रहे हैं उसकी कोई वैलिडिटी, कोई बेसिस नहीं है। शबनम लोन, the basic point that today the BJP, Prakash ji, एक minute. Now Prakash ji, एक minute. The basic point that the BJP, the VHP and the Shiv Sena are putting today is that there is nothing new in the Cobra posting. Now I would like to place on record what is really there in the Cobra posting. The basic issue is it has several important players saying that Advani, Joshi, Uma Bharti knew, planned, organized, and that in fact LK Advani, according to one of the people, gave a clarion call for the structure to be brought down before 6 p.m. on December 6th. And Advani later said, I never knew it was a spontaneous attack. I had no control over it. Now, is it wrong for us to ask whether Advani knew or did not know? Is it a crime to put these facts in the public domain? Only by saying that the timing of this is suspect and Anirudh Bahal is not an honest journalist, and by making those charges, I don't think you're getting away with it.
You are putting these things before the public.
Absolutely not.
You are trying to put these things before the public.
Well, why does the BJP raise 1984?
पूरा मुकदमा चल रहा है, उसमें सारे प्रमाण प्रस्तुत हो चुके हैं। कल को कह दूंगा कि अर्नब गोस्वामी मेरे साथ थे, तो आप मान लोगे?
Just 1 minute. You know, your entire argument is over timing. I would request you to let Shabnam Lone come in. Shabnam Lone, should we move beyond the timing? Do you have to say something on the content?
Yes, let us assume for argument's sake Anirudh Bahal is a congressman. For argument's sake, let us assume Congress has a hand in it. But does it take away the seriousness of the criminality of the issue? Does it take away the seriousness of the conspiracy of the issue? Does it take away the divisive, dangerous and destructive conspiracy that emanated on that fateful day when the Babri Masjid was brought down? You did not bring
down... It was not Babri Masjid.
Just a minute.
It was a structure. Don't say that Babri Masjid.
You are trying to bring down the spirit.
You are just dishonoring the orders of Allahabad High Court.
Babri Masjid.
By claiming it Babri Masjid, you are dishonoring.
Please, it was the Babri Masjid demolition.
That was not Babri Masjid.
I'm saying it was the Babri Masjid demolition.
No.
It is the Babri Masjid demolition. Let her complete. Don't stop her. Don't stop her. Let her complete.
Allahabad High Court has given specific judgment. There was a
Babri Masjid demolition.
And Babri structure was an encroachment.
Don't try to
and demolition of an encroachment is not a big issue.
You keep quiet.
And masjids are transferred.
Let me speak.
That can be
my question
transferred at some other place.
Don't interrupt her. Don't interrupt her.
No, she is saying Babri Mosque, and I can't say that it is Babri.
You've said it. You've made your point.
It was a Babri structure. Why she shouting so much?
Mr. Shukla.
Why she is shouting? She's a secular, na?
Please,
I'm a communal man.
Mr. Shukla, please stop.
I'm a communal man, but she is secular, and she's claiming it to be
Mr. Shukla, please stop. 1 second. Let her complete. She didn't. When you were speaking, did she interrupt you?
Babri Mosque.
Did she interrupt you?
No, but if I'm wrong, she can interrupt me.
So, by the way, you have made your point, and this is a democratic country.
No, I'm not.
1 minute.
I'm not.
Just
doing anything undemocratic.
No,
just putting a question.
No, I think if you have pre-planned here.
No, nothing. How can I be pre-planned?
Now, can I request one thing? I'm going to please one person at a time. Okay, I'm making a request here. I am going into specifics. First, let her complete. Yeah. Please complete your point, Shabnam.
Now for this, Mr. Shukla, for you, I have a message, and for you, VHP and the BJP, do you know what is the idea of India? Now I will recite something from a couplet, a very well-known poet has said, "ए आबरू ए गंगा वो दिन है याद तुझको उतरा तेरे किनारे जब कारवां हमारा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना." This is the idea of India.
You violated that.
1 minute now let her complete.
ये भी बता दीजिए
At the very communal harmony of the country.
तो 47 में पाकिस्तान
आप हमको डराने की कोशिश
शर्मा
मत
जी,
करें, पाकिस्तानी नहीं है,
reduce the
मैं
volume.
मुसलमान हूँ,
शर्मा
I'm a
जी।
proud Muslim. Don't try to frighten me. हमको डराने की कोशिश मत करें।
धर्मेंद्र,
She's making communal
नहीं है आपकी बात।
She's making communal
Dharmendra,
statement.
I have, you see, one second.
आपको
Did
She
you?
is making communal statement.
No,
That's
one
bad for
minute.
your
Just a
channel,
minute.
sir.
Mr. Shukla,
You
I
are
request you.
I'm not making
I am very
communal
polite, sir.
statement.
Mr. Shukla, I request you now. You don't interrupt the debate. I'm requesting you.
I'm Ayman. So what can you do?
The question is this. Dharmendra
If you
Singh
are
Gurjar.
impolite, what can you do?
No.
You're trying
One
to be
second.
polite.
Now, I request you. I'm putting specific points here. Sudhanshu Trivedi raises his hand. I'm coming to you, Mr. Inayatullah, now. Dharmendra Singh Gurjar, former convener of the Bajrang Dal in Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, was present on both October 30th, 1990 and December 6th, 1992. He speaks, Sudhanshu Trivedi, now it's my challenge to you. Please be specific in your reply, okay? He speaks of a 2-month-long camp held in the Sarkhej area of Gujarat in 1990, in which 28 activists participated, 2 from each state. He even ended up naming several of the participants. These participants received ideological training as well from VHP members like Acharya Giriraj Kishore and Praveen Togaria. Gurjar speaks of a suicide squad of 1,200 activists that was mobilized to lead the demolition of the temple. It was followed by a slogan raised by one of its members on December 6th that the assault on the mosque began. My further question to you is this. On December 6th, there was a meeting which was held in Janki Mahal in Hanuman Bagh in Ayodhya. See there, Mr. Trivedi, you have no answers when I am getting specific. There was a meeting. In this meeting, Advani, according to Santosh Dubey, asks him, quote, "How will the structure be brought down? How will the structure be brought down?" It was here, according to Dubey, that Advani gave a clarion call for the structure to be brought down, saying structure should be leveled completely by 6 p.m. in the evening on December 6th. Nothing should be left of it there. Now, this is a claim I am underlining that is there made by this person, Santosh Dubey, former president of the Shiv Sena in Faizabad, who spoke of the secret meeting between Sangh leaders and BJP leaders. Now, Sudhanshu Trivedi, please tell me, is Santosh Dubey imagining everything? Have all these details never happened? If they have never happened, then is he a fiction writer that is giving accurate names, places, exactly who said what? You know, the problem is, Sudhanshu Trivedi, you don't want to answer these questions. So, you want the debate to be stuck over why the tape has been released. Now, I have asked today, I asked Anirudh the questions about why Cobra Post has released that now, but I must ask you about the content of the tape.
Timing, I have already said that.
No, you have, forget the timing issue. Now, I have told you details about
Dubey and what Mr. Gurjar had said.
Yes.
If it is true.
Yes.
What Mr. Dubey and what Mr. Gurjar had said, if you consider it is true, it means you are putting the credibility of Mr. Dubey and Mr. Gurjar's statement on one hand and the entire credibility of Mr. L.K. Advani, the CBI, the Parliament of India and Libraham Commission on one hand. Let it investigate. Mr. Anirudh Bahal should have given this tape to CBI or the other investigating agencies and ask them, go and investigate the facts and the circumstances in which they have said, and whatever the truth, it should come out.
No, 1 second. You are saying
just on a tape which authenticity
Anirudh,
to be proved. Let me complete.
No.
Okay, 1 second. You're getting a counter. Counter is coming in from.
You are saying like this.
No, Shabnam Lone is countering you.
Statement.
Counter from Shabnam Lone to
that. One more thing. Let me complete.
No,
Shabnam Lone has given one couplet of the famous Shair Allama Iqbal. I would like to give another 2 lines which Allama Iqbal has said. He has said, "Hai Ram ke wazud pe Hindustan ko naaz, अहले नजर समझती है उनको इमाम हिंद. He has said the Ram is the god of entire India. Then why you are unnecessarily targeting towards Babri Mosque when the disputed structure as Babri and you are getting your sentiment more attached to Babri? You go by Allama Iqbal who has said that Ram is the Imam Hind. He is the god of this country. So in my opinion, if Shabnam Lom had said something, she should follow the dictates or the teachings of
What?
Allama
No,
Iqbal.
you
This
see
is the
Sudhanshu
irony of
Trivedi.
India.
Sudhanshu
That the
Trivedi, your
central
reply has revealed. Your reply
Now,
reveals.
Sudhanshu Trivedi should give a statement to the CBI.
Why?
The way he is speaking.
Okay.
Why?
So if any will speak anything,
No,
he will have to
watch
answer
it.
CBI.
Can I come
So
in?
now you have put
No,
CBI
no.
on duty.
Can I come in?
I will ask
New
Mr.
duty for CBI.
I am asking Mr. Inayatullah to respond to Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi says the claims in the sting cannot be taken at face value. Now, I'd like to just add one thing before I go to Mr. Inayatullah. The fact remains that several people interviewed by Cobra Post in the sting operation stand indicted for your kind information, Mr. Trivedi, by the Liberan Commission report. If you want me to give the names, here are the names. And you tell me or not, you are wrong. Sachidanand Sakshi Maharaj.
The report has also said that Mr.
Sachidanand Sakshi Maharaj indicted.
And he has also said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee was involved in this. Atal Bihari Vajpayee
Uma
never went to Ayodhya.
1
So
minute.
the Iran Commission report was having so many rubbish things.
Uma Bharti indicted. Dharmender Singh Gurjar, former convener of Bajrang Dal, indicted. Mahant Ram Vilas Vedanti indicted. And the BJP has slammed the Liberan Commission report in the past, but it remains the only comprehensive account of what happened on December 6, 1992. Mr. Inayatullah, would you like to respond before I take a first quick break? Would you like to respond to the BJP, the VHP and the Shiv Sena representatives? 1 second, Mr. Inayatullah's turn from Chennai.
Mr. Arnab,
Go ahead. We can hear you, sir, loud and clear.
yeah, Mr. Arnab, now it is a criminal conspiracy well known to the entire world that VHP, RSS, Bajrang Dal, Shiv Sena, the BJP, including Mr. Narasimha Rao, I don't say Congress, including Mr. Narasimha Rao, it is a criminal conspiracy played on 6th of December 1992 for the demolition of the Babri Masjid. Nobody can deny it.
It was not masjid. Again you are claiming.
No, one second, let him
Pretty
complete.
well, I don't blame the entire Congress on this. Only Mr. Narasimha Rao, who has got the ideology of this RSS, he was witnessing the show with all happiness, and he could do nothing because he didn't want to do it. The army was there readily. In spite of the army's presence, Mr. Narasimha Rao didn't take any action. So it is a conspiracy between the Narasimha Rao and all the other Sangh Parivar groups. I don't deny they say that Congress also involved. Later on, when the CBI came to that filing FIR, why they left this Mr.
No, how
Advani?
can you, no, by the way, how
Mr.
do you
Advani
give
is
the
the
Congress,
prime accused in that.
how